Hello, my name is Peter and welcome to my channel. So, this won't be one of those classic crochet tutorial videos. This is more crochet with me, but honestly, I don't think that I will crochet much because this is, I think, the 10th or 15th time that I'm recording this and I didn't do much on this project that I'm working on. And yeah, the first question, what is the purpose of this video? Basically, I saw some other creators to work on something like that. Uh, the common practice in cross stitching is stitch with me so that they can talk, they can engage with their followers, and mainly this is the purpose of this video, so that I can answer any of your questions uh, regarding crocheting or uh, about me. And I will do my best to answer them in next videos. So if you have any questions, put it into the comment section below this video. And this is video number 1. If there will be a video number 2, well, that depends on you. I will decide if I'll make video number 2 based on your response. So more likes, more likely I will make the second video. But if you dislike this video, there probably won't be the second video in this series. Of course, there will be videos with crochet tutorials, but not crochet with me videos. Okay? So it all depends on you, and let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Is it okay or not? So for today, I know some time ago, it's probably a year or two back, I was working on one of my videos and one of my two cats interrupted me. So and then one of the followers expressed a wish that if she could see my two cats, but as you know, this there are crochet tutorials and there's no place for cats. Okay, and exactly that what should this video do. I can show you my two cats, and here is the first one, Buchko. He is 11 years old, and our second cat is Nodi, and he is 3 years old. As you can imagine, I have a big problem with cat hairs. Everything must be boxed when I'm not working on any of my projects. And I crochet a lot, and also I cross stitch, so there's a lot of boxes in my bedroom. Yes. Okay. So, and one of the reasons also why these videos, because you probably did notice that English is not my first language. I'm from Slovenia, by the way. And in comments, if I try to answer you, there will be probably many grammar mistakes. So it's easier to talk than write. Right? Probably. That's my opinion anyway. Uh, yes, Slovenia. Yeah. This is the country where the former First Lady was born, and of course, this is the country where our magic Luca comes from. Yeah. I'm very proud on both of them. So, I think this 5 minutes or so is enough for first video. And as I said, I don't think there will be much crocheting. Some, yes, but not much. So, again, let me know in the comment section what you think about this kind of video. Will it stick or not? It all depends, as I said, on you. Positive feedback, I will make Crochet With Me number 2. But if there are negative feedbacks, I will stay with crochet tutorial videos and there won't be any part 2 for this Crochet With Me. Until the next time, as always, enjoy your crocheting and be safe.